composite number. I'm any whole number greater than 1 that has more than 2 factors, and a factor is just a number that divides me exactly, with nothing left over.
If a number has only 2 factors, 1 in itself, it's prime. But if it has more than 2 factors, just like me, it's composite.
Let's take 4. 1 times 4 makes 4, and 2 times 2 makes 4. So my factors are 1, 2, and 4. 3 factors means 4 is composite.
4 is composite.
Now take 6. 1 times 6 makes 6, and 2 times 3 makes 6 too. That's 4 factors and 6, so 6 is composite as well.
One more, take 9. 1 times 9 makes 9, and 3 times 3 makes 9. My factors are 1, 3, and 9. 3 factors, so 9 is composite too.
How to check a number is prime or composite?
First, the number must be greater than 1. Then check, can it be divided by anything besides 1 and itself? If yes, it's composite. If no,
It's prime.
a few important facts. 1 is neither prime nor composite. It's an outsider. 2 is the smallest and only even prime number. And I, 4, am the smallest composite number. Let's remember, prime means exactly 2 factors, composite means more than 2 factors, and 1 is neither prime nor composite. Hit like and subscribe for more.